Indonesia. Today's thought is the harder you work for something, the better you will feel after achieving it. इसका हिंदी में अर्थ होता है आप किसी चीज के लिए जितना अधिक मेहनत करेंगे उसे प्राप्त करने पर आपको उतना ही अधिक अच्छा लगेगा. Today's new word is
Today my friends tell you about the great poets and their contribution to our nation.
Good afternoon everyone. Today I would like to talk about a remarkable woman who left a lasting impact on India's freedom struggle and fight. Today I am going to tell you about